Alright guys, I'm going to be teaching you all a lesson today. It's called How to Escape Handcuffs with Just Your Fingers. Alright, So, when you're in a situation like this, hang on a sec. How am I going to get this on there? Oh, there we go. This is what I just handcuffed myself. I don't know if I can get this on camera, but I probably can't. On the other hand, keep in mind these are toy handcuffs, not real handcuffs. But they make a very similar reference. Do you see the keyhole in there? I don't have the key to it. So, how do you think I'm gonna escape with just my fingers? Do you guys see that switch there? It's on the other handcuff too. Hang on a sec. Right. Where is it? Oh yes. I don't know if you guys see that or not, but there's a tiny little switch there. What I do is a sec. This is only the professionals do this. I don't know if you guys could see that or not, but I just escaped using just my fingers. And this is how I do it. It's much easier sewing this without my hand being in there than with my hand being in there. This is the handcuff, it's locked. Push it comes out, but however you can't get it out. So what you do is, you see that switch there? The camera's not going to focus in on it. This is not. See that switch there? Hang on a sec. You just pull it back like that, and it opens. It's just this little switch here. And once again, I'm going to show you that if real life handcuffs were like this, and this would be the easiest trick in the book. See that little stub there? Flick it, and it opens. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a lesson today. And bye for now.